This is love, love. I feel like I'm losing you. You should know I forever wanna be with you. Yeah.
How does it feel okujja wano ate nga tu expect okulaba performance ne Rema? Kiwulika kitya nga nawo kuba bajja eri ate nawe this time round ozze wano?
Man, like I said, Chakabi nnyo. Chakabi, it humbles me whenever I'm home. This is home, ulaba. So now the fact that Rema, B2C, you know, jona mikwano jange, bagenda kubanga webali. Of course, if they happen to be around again, because I'm not sure, nenga twogera, and they're really supportive of my homecoming. So.
Background ya Uganda evaawo ino Uganda olulungi nnyo omuntu atulaba yandyewuunyiza naye
nze nazaalibwa wano Kisugu Namuwongo. Yeah, nazaalibwa wano. So era newaffe tukozesa Luganda nnyo ewaka, you know, of course. Yeah.
Last time around waliwo some saga between Rema and Fie nga bagamba zavako. Briefly tell us what happened.
Ebyo nga saabiwulira ate kati anti ze saabiwulira.
Bagamba you first recorded the song with Fie, then no recording.
That wasn't the same song. It wasn't the same song. If that's the saga, even though I didn't even sawulira saga eyo naye oluyimba lwenakola ne Fie era lukyasoboka luyinza n'okufulumira in near future. I think Fie is another amazing artist. When I saw okumanyigana naye, and then Uganda again. So Fie, when we know we sinkana, and then of course, you know, with time, you know, nemanya balala, but you know, but B2C, then Rema Naja, and then when I met Rema, for some reason, ebintu byadduka mangu. You know, Sigamant Nefie, she's not a hard-working woman. Nenga Rema, yeah, like when she wants to do something, she makes it happen. Maybe gwa. So when Fie came on board in Nangamba Tukole, I was ready. You know, I told her, yeah, I'm ready. Like Tukole sina tabu. Naye ya inengeri ya bitwalamu mpola. Ate ndowooza esaga eyinza okuba yajja kubanga she expected oluyimba lw'okufuluma before olwa Rema, then Rema ne lujja before olulwe. So I think that's where I was simanyi kale kubanga nze nakola bye nalina okukola nabawa. Yeah.
Kale tuyanza
All right, guys. So, Baite Munyarwanda. Okay. Echa La Paloni Garden City rooftop. Mujemo na tuole tuimbe tuchakale. Come on, let's break legs. It's going down tomorrow. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Use your iPhone for some. Ben, tukwaniriza.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Welcome back.
This is home. So, yeah.
Genda masa awe twagalira ddala abana Uganda okuwulira abana
Uganda. And shout out to La Poloni, Godwin. They made it happen.
Okay.
Only them they could make it happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. How does it feel like coming back to Uganda?
It feels amazing. Like I said, this is home. So whenever you get a chance and you get back here, I just feel like I'm home. Yeah, yeah.
What brings you to Uganda this time?
Oh man, it's a movie that we're making tomorrow at La Paloni Garden City rooftop. That's what brought me here. So you all better be ready. We're breaking legs.
Okay. Eri abantu baffe wano nga bategeera nnyo olulimi Oluganda ate tukulabye olulimi Oluganda olutegeera bulungi nnyo
Yeah.
so osobola okuddiramu omuntu yenna nenga faaniwo
Right.
naye nga awulira olulimi olwaffe olwa wano
Right.
ne bw'olutuwa mu bumenyefu lwabo
Yeah.
naye kiri nti
Jegezaako.
okusobola ogezaako
Yeah. So badde ngamba.
ebimu ku bikuleese
Ekindeese ekiri ekikulu ekindeese show gye tugenda okukola enkya ku Garden City rooftop. Nebaza nnyo company BOK Godwin La Paloni team about they made it happen. It's been a long time coming. So nsanyuse nnyo and I'm just looking forward to see all of you tomorrow.
Okay. Tulabye okuze n'abayimbi bangi naddala wano mu ggwanga lyaffe Uganda okuli Shiba, kuliko Rema, kuliko B2C, Crystal Panda, Biniganta, ku show yeno gy'ogenda okukola olunaku lw'enkya. Tusuubire abayimbi bano oba oyogeddeko nabo bagenda kubeera part of the performance.
Yeah, family. Nga bw'obogedde bonna family. Rema sister wange, Shiba sister wange, Crystal Panda, that's my brother, B2C, those are my boys, like, so ngera ngo bochogedera balina okubanga bali era.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last hit.
Of course, if they happy to be around.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last hit you ever given us here in Uganda, oline one of our diva omu ku bakyala abasinga amaloboozi amalungi Rema Namakula.
Yeah.
N'otuwa akayimba akasukulumu ennyo omuntu yandiyagadde okulya kwera eddoboozi eriwoomera liwakuba mu kayimba ako n'oluvannyuma tukwokya ekibuuzo ekiddako.
This is love, love. I feel like I'm losing you.